Shellfish in the morning. Who's with me? Huh? Okay, granted, it might not be, you might not be considering oysters and mussels for breakfast, but this morning we are giving you some delicious evening options.
And for us, because it's a morning show, this kind of is evening.
Midday lunch.
It is. We've got mussels, we have oysters, all the sauces. We're taking you from sea to table with the help of the Great Shellfish Cookbook. Chef Dean Pettit is here with the goods. Welcome.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Thanks for having me.
We are so excited and hungry.
Yes, good morning. So we launched this my brand new cookbook. So thanks for having us.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Let's get on with the mussels
Let's
here.
go.
The rule is you never eat them if the shells haven't opened, right?
Exactly. So if we look here and you can see that there's a few open, for example, you want to like tap it. So if the mussel doesn't open, as mentioned, you know that the mussel's dead.
Okay.
So you want to discard that. So we're going to keep this one away.
What are some other rules we need to know about
If
mussels?
there's bearding, so for example, when you want to wash them, you want to soak them and get them a good little rinse to make sure that any sand and so forth is out. So a beard, for example, if you can see that at home as well, this is called the beard of the clam, or the mussel, pardon me.
Yeah.
You want to just make sure to de-beard it. So you're just ripping it out.
So you don't have to throw it away.
You
Just
don't.
rip the
You
beard.
don't.
Okay.
So again, like anything, when you steam them, so we're doing a beautiful cheesy mussel dish. So when you steam them, just to take the top shell off, essentially pop it off for 3 minutes. We're gonna make a nice little sauce here that goes on top. So let's get. Can I get you maybe over here?
Yeah,
Do you
yeah,
wanna do
yeah.
it together? So okay, cool. So we're gonna start with our heavy cream.
Okay, whole thing?
So yep, all the way in. We're gonna move into our sour cream.
Okay.
Yeah.
A dollop or?
Yeah, get a little spoon. Let's get liberal. It's in the morning.
Okay,
right?
all right.
Of course.
Canadians, let's get going. So we've got our chili flakes.
Okay.
I'm gonna go in with a little bit of our Manchego cheese.
Thank you.
Which is a little beautiful sheep's cheese from Spain. We'll leave that and just
To the
stir
end?
that up. Yep.
Okay.
I'm so glad you did this book, Chef, because a lot of people would think that they've got to leave the seafood to a seafood restaurant.
I agree. So the biggest thing, with shellfish is that it's scary. It can be intimidating. It's expensive. What do you do and how to use it? The whole premise of the book is where to buy, how to buy.
Oh, that's so good.
Make it simple. As Canadians, we have beautiful shellfish coast to coast. We should be proud of it. We should celebrate it, but it shouldn't be scary. And that's the perfect of the book.
So we've made the sauce.
I'm going to top this a little bit. We're just going to do a couple to show. But essentially, what you want to do...
You just rip the shells off,
You do.
right?
So you're going to steam it first, and then the shell will come right off.
Okay,
So-
Chef, here's a question.
Talk to me.
If they are not open all the way,
Yep.
and you've taken them off already, can you put them back and open them again, or do you have to get rid of them?
No, so you want to discard it. So once cooking them, for example, if we're steaming them, boiling them, if they do not fully open, you want to discard it. So get rid of them. Let's move in.
That's how I ended up with a really
So we
bad
do
night
that,
one
and then
time.
into the oven for how long?
Into the oven.
Yeah.
That's going on a broiler for about 2 to 3 minutes.
And look how
And this
You
is
just
it.
want to check it. Cheesy
Can I
mussels.
try these? These
Please,
just
they're
came out
ready
of
to
the
go.
oven, right?
Oh, are
Is
they
the
ready?
TV ready? Yeah. Jump in. Bon appetit. The water's
Oh,
warm.
the sauce is amazing.
Yeah, so you get
that
the
really
richness,
good.
creamy, you get the saltiness of the ocean.
One more.
This is an East Coast delight here. You put that on a party. Again, seafood and shellfish is meant to be simple and fun.
We're going to get
Okay,
through a few
second
other
sauce.
things.
Next, let's go. Okay, Anne-Marie,
Anne-Marie,
you're
back to
on
work. Yeah.
Anne-Marie's on sauce duty. You're my
Right.
sauce sous chef today. We're making a simple East Coast little classic cocktail sauce. Lime juice.
Which you can use on a lot of stuff,
the
not
base
just
for
shrimp.
this?
That's ketchup. So we're starting as a ketchup. Yeah, you can. You can use it on everything. Put
So
on toast.
ketchup?
You've got some horseradish, prepared horseradish.
Okay.
We're going to go a little bit of hot sauce.
Ooh, nice.
Oh,
good.
yours
spicy.
is a little more
Love it.
complex, and
That's-
I mean, a lot of people just do ketchup. They throw some horseradish in, they call it a day.
That's it. You can put some Worcestershire sauce. You've got some rice wine vinegar.
Okay.
Salt and pepper.
A splash of everything?
Yes, please. And you know what you can do? You can put a little bourbon in there.
Okay.
You can put a little whiskey.
While you do that,
Little
I want to learn how to
whiskey,
do this.
amazing.
Okay, so I'm going to get you to slide maybe just a touch.
I'm,
just
okay,
because.
now this is how easy it is. I'm an idiot, right, when it comes to
Don't say that. Don't be so hard on
You
yourself.
gotta see the scars on my hands. Okay,
on.
how do I shuck an
You hear this?
oyster?
Okay, so let's protect ourselves first.
Yeah.
So let's make sure that we've got our oyster. This is easy to do. You've got your oyster knife.
Okay. I'm a lefty. Can I go this
Okay.
way?
Oh my God, let's switch it up then.
All right, so this
I'll jump
way?
on this side. The
Okay.
lefty. That's it for
In
good luck.
here?
Inside. So you just want to pop it.
Like-
and just twist. Whoa, watch yourself now.
Oh,
There you
no,
go.
I
You're okay.
didn't- what did I
and so
do?
you don't want to jam it too much. You just want to more or less pop your wrist.
Gentle
I'm not
then.
gonna get
Be
this,
gentle.
Chef.
Should I help you here?
Yeah, please.
Let's do a teamwork. I'm a
I'm
righty.
gonna-
We're going to spin this around. This is teamwork
Just
in the
as an
kitchen.
FYI, Ben,
Yeah.
when I did this with Mary Berg, first time.
Well, you're better than me.
So here we go. You just got to get
Yeah.
inside the mussel, or sorry, the oyster, pardon me.
There we go.
On
There
the
you
top,
go.
and you just want to slide it back. You're taking the conductor muscle
There
off.
we go.
You see this?
Spin
I
it.
show you what not to do.
And you know what you always want to make sure is that you smell it. You want to make sure that you're good to go. If it's
So what are you
clean,
smelling
simple,
for?
you want to make sure it smells like the ocean. You want to make sure that it's clean, it's simple, it's not off.
All right, well, on that note, Chef, congratulations on the
Thank
book.
you.
Thank you. I'm going to be
Thank you
using
very
it all
much.
summer long. You can find today's recipes on our website, yourmorning.ca. We'll be right back.
Ooh.